This was a design BMW really didn't seem to give a shit about. They leave this trough, which collects stones, mud, bugs, whatnot. Kind of shitty. Why is this piece even there? Could have done away with that little fin. Structural support? I already got the strut. Maybe, maybe not. Nonetheless, that's crap, and I gotta fix that. Compressed air. Cover your ears. I strongly suggest eye protection. Put your helmet on. Put your shield down. Could we be there? All rocked out? Yeah, it's not too bad now. I gotta go do the other side. Then we'll be back. Just squirt that right in there. Smooth it out. And there won't be any more rocks stuck in there. If you want to get real fancy, you get yourself a damp paper towel. Smooth it right over, even a wet paper towel. Smooth it over. Smooth the silicone. And that's it. You know, it's gonna dry in half an hour or an hour, and you can put it together now because you don't touch it.